Hi, Shirley from Shirley Patterns here today, and I'm going to show you how to knit this lovely design here. Don't know what you would call it exactly. I don't know, it's just really pretty, and it's only 4-row repeat, which is usually quite easy to get into. That's the back. Not a lot to see there. And on the bottom we have our one of the ribbing. We have a video on that which I will pin the link to down below. And okay, let's get started and I'll show you how to do this. I'm going to use another green, a lighter one. Oh, tangled up. Oops. It's a 10 stitches plus 1 stitch plus 2 edge stitches. So I have on here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 plus 1 plus 2 edge stitches. So that's 2 lots I'm going to be doing. Right, so the first stitch is that's your edge stitch, is knit into the back of it, and then we're going to purl one, and then we're going to knit 3 together. See if I can do this. I'm going to do it. There we go. Knit 3 together, and then it's knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, and then it's knit 3 together through the back loop. Okay, so you knit 3 together that way. There we go. And that is your repeat. So that's your edge stitch, and it's purl 1, knit 3 together, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, knit 3 together through the back loops. We'll do that again. So it's purl 1, then it's knit 3 together, whoops, down there, knit 3 together, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, knit 3 together through the back loop. There we go, that's to the last 2 stitches, and you purl 1 and then slip the last stitch. Okay, so that was row 1. Now row 2 is knit the first stitch through the back. Okay, and your repeat is knit 1, purl 2, 1, 2, yarn round needle, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn round needle, purl 2, 1, 2. Okay, so edge stitch, stitch, edge stitch, knit 1, purl 2, yarn round needle, purl 3, yarn round needle, purl 2. Right, we'll do that again. Knit 1, purl 2, 1, 2, yarn round needle, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn round needle, purl 2. That's to the last 2 stitches. You knit 1 and then you slip your last stitch to get that nice even edge up there. Okay, row 3 is knit 1 through your back loop, and then it's purl 1, knit 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, edge stitch, purl 1, knit 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So you repeat. So you repeat it again, purl 1, knit 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to your last 2 stitches, purl 1, slip your last stitch. That was row 3. Now row 4, knit into the back of your first stitch, and then it's knit 1, purl 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's your repeat, that's your edge stitch, knit 1, purl 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. We'll do that again, knit 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that's to your last 2 stitches, and it is knit 1 and then yarn to the front, slip 1, and that's your 4 rows. I actually enjoyed knitting up the swatch. I really did. Really did. There we go. So that's your 4 rows for making this. I know. I love it. I really do. I think it's super. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. You can click like, subscribe, share it, and hope to see you in the next video. Happy knitting.